how to check profit on Robinhood. So I'm going to show you how you can do it on the app as well as the website. First, you want to open up the Robinhood app on your phone, and on the home screen you'll see your total portfolio value at the top. You want to scroll down to view individual stock positions. You can tap on any stock to see its details. Under each stock you'll see your total return. This is your profit or loss since buying the stock, the percentage change in value, and the average cost, the average price you paid per share. You can also view the all-time profit loss for your portfolio by selecting 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, 1 year, or all at the top of the portfolio screen. If you want to do it on the website, you will log into your Robinhood account via the web. On the home page, you'll see your total portfolio value. You want to scroll down to see your stock positions and their performance. Click on a stock to view more details, including your total return and percentage gain or loss. Total return shows the overall profit or loss for each stock. Percent change tells you how much the stock has increased or decreased in value. This way, you can easily track your profits and losses in Robinhood. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.